Okay, good day mga ka-solar. Marami ang nagtatanong sa akin paano ako nagsimula bilang isang solar installer. Tsaga-tsaga lang, pag-aaral. And then, pinaka-basic, so dapat alamin lang natin yung watt wheel, yung formula. So yan, napaka-importante yan, yung power formula. So ito, yung ating watt wheel. So napakarami din yan. As a beginner, medyo mahirapan tayo. So tanggalan natin, bawasan natin. Itira lang natin itong tatlong napakalagang formula or items dito sa ating watt wheel. So yung tira natin yung P, I at saka B. So yan, kung kanina circle, gawin natin siyang triangle. So itira natin P, I, and B. So pwede nyo ring tandaan yung words na poison, IB. P is for power. And then sinusukat sa units niya is watts. I is current. And then voltage, B. Yan. Or pwede rin yung pi, power. I is current. And then E, energy. So yan. Pili na lang kayo sa dalawang yan. Napakadaling tandaan. So yan yung magiging guide natin throughout our solar studies. Ayan, dyan tayo nagsimula. And then pag-aaralan natin yung pinaka rules bago tayo magsimula sa ating tutorial. So bali itong mga basic na to, yun yung pinaka-importante. Basta alam natin yung guide.
Okay, let's do a sample. Kuha tayo ng sample. Let's solve how much power of an equipment or machine. We don't know how many watts. So kung given kanyang current, 1 ampere, ang kanyang voltage is 230 volts. So let's find the wattage. So yung P is unknown. Yung current at saka voltage is given. So dali natin dito sa formula. P is equals to I times V. So masosolve natin. Power or watts is 1 ampere times 230 volts is equals to 230 watts. Okay, let's find current naman. If given yung kanyang wattage and then voltage. So let's find how much current ang nagpo-flow. So ito, unknown yung current. So yung power at saka voltage is given. So yung power formula natin, dali natin dito sa formula. I or current is equals to power divided by voltage. So I is equals to, yung power is 460 watts divided by 230 volts. So yung ating current is 2 ampere. So i-find naman natin if missing is voltage. If given yung wattage is 460 watts, current is 2 ampere. Let's find the voltage. Kung ilang voltahe yung dumadaloy. So unknown yung voltage. So dalhin ulit natin sa power formula. So power formula natin is voltage is equals to power divided by current. Okay, replace natin yung given. So voltage is equals to 460 watts divided by 2 ampere equals voltage 230 volts. Okay, additional lang. If given is milliamps, so divide natin yung milliamps sa 1,000 para makuha natin yung ampere. So yan guys. Ulit-ulitin lang natin para ma-memorize natin para makuha yung ating mga given na wattage or current.
Okay guys, simulan na natin sa ating rule number 1 sa series connection ng ating panel. So paano natin i-connect yung ating mga panels? So series. So ang rules dyan is pag series, so ang voltage niya ay mag-additional, and then yung kanyang current is still the same. Hindi siya gagalaw or just pareho pa rin. Okay, yan yung series connection. Yung voltage lang yung nag-increment. And then sa parallel naman is baliktad. Yung kanyang current naman ang tumataas, yung voltage naman niya ang the same. Ayan. So, meron na tayong series and parallel connection. And then pwede natin siyang pagsamahin, series parallel connection. So pagsasamahin natin yung kanyang rules. So yan, pagka siniris natin, mag-a-add yung voltage, yung current the same, and then ipaparallel natin dun sa kabila. So mag-a-add naman yung kanyang current, and then yung voltage is the same. So yan, ito yung pinaka importanteng rules sa pag-aaral natin dito sa pagiging solar installer. So yan.
Okay mga ka-solar, yan yung ating magiging guide throughout sa ating pag-aaral bilang solar installer or solar installation. So pinag-aralan natin yung series connection, parallel connection, and combination of series and parallel connection. So panoorin lang natin paulit-ulit para ma-memorize natin. And then see you sa susunod na ating mga videos. Thank you sa ating mga followers and subscribers. Thank you.